Hi again. We are going through the test case management module in this video. If you missed the first one on the issues tracker, I have the link down below. It is part of the quality assurance application that ANA Inomatic just built for our clients to assist with a project. Here on the left side, we have the active test cases. We have the number of steps for each of the case as well as the status for this particular user. I believe I completed everything except for one, which is 2B. Now, if I go to my test cases, we will not see 2B because only cases where I have started or initialized, then this become part of my bucket. I can go to new cases and 2B is the only one. If I select, the test case will render with the summary as well as the steps. Right now, the steps are locked because I need to start the test case. From start to conclude test case because I can complete the test case once I have started. Here, the status for 2B. I have the edit ability because I am part of the ANA team. I can edit the steps. Note that I use a lot of rich text editors because I want to format my test so that it's easy to follow. Up here, I can also edit the summary. I can add a step, reorder the step. So reorder is when if you add a steps in and you want to insert it in between. You can see here, you can make changes and reorder the steps. I go ahead, exit. I can create a new test case right here. For now, I will proceed with running through the steps. Here, pass. It's auto save, pass, pass. And lastly, pass. So each of the steps can have a status. It is optional in a sense, but it's good to have the details. Now I can conclude the test. I can say pass or fail. Let's get out and show you the issues report first. So right now, I am in the test case 2B. If there's an issue I would like to report, I can click here. Because I initiate the issues within the test case is populated automatically. Once submitted, it will be part of the issues tracker, the first module that I shared with you in the previous video. Let's say if I click on minimize, I can go back to the test case, and when I open it again, everything stays. The difference here is if you got to cancel and go back in, come back to a brand new form. So let's proceed submitting a test entry. It's a modification, low, milestone, everything the same. I can attach a screenshot if I wanted to and go ahead submit. I have issues number 65 here. For that, I can continue to update this entry or create a new one. I can minimize and go back to the test case. Because I submitted the issues number 65, the log here in form of such. And we can view the issues. Here's the report of the issues. This here will open in the issues tracker, item 65. This way, when we have multiple testers, they don't have to submit the same issues if they first check. I go ahead and conclude the test case, pass, submit. Nathan concluded the test case, and I have the result here captured in the log, and this is passed. Oh, one more thing. On the comment side, if you click on this collapse icon, it will hide the comments area and give you more real estate to work on the steps. Expand will put the test case comments area back. Up in the info menu item, it has the summary as well as the stat 19 active, 34 attempt, and I have completed all 19, or at least attempted all 19. On the report side, this is very comprehensive. We have the test case summary with the search box. We have case 1A, 14 steps, some quick summary, and the status of all the testers who have attempted. Now, if you want to go to the details, we can go to test case steps. This list here includes all the steps for all test cases, but of course we can filter to see the single test case. Remember, I provide the comments here. You can see that. And so this is very helpful. You can search registration. You can see it's a live search. Clear, get out. The last part is the RTM, Requirements Traceability Matrix. And so because we have multiple testers, but we have one that gives the overall score. And so here we have the summary of the test cases, and then we have the project lead. The project lead on the client side should go in and give it an overall results and comments here. Now this will be exported to an Excel. However, everything is handled up here, and these are limited to the project lead on the client side as well as myself. Nobody else can do the entry, but everybody can run the report and see the result. Lastly, similar to the issues tracker, we can email the test case to any tester that we have here, and the message will deliver the case summary as well as any personalized message. Here I will be sending myself this message. Here is the copy of the email, and this is the message that we type in the message box. That's all I have for the test case management module. If you would like to have this application here or something similar deploy in your environment, feel free to reach out. We have the base design already, and it will not take long to custom fit this to your organization. Thank you so much for sitting through this video. Take care.